Conservation of natural resources. Water. We often leave the water tap open while brushing teeth, taking bath, and washing clothes. If a water tap goes out of order, we delay its repairing. Sometimes, we forget to switch off electric motor after filling the water tank. In this way, we waste a lot of water every day. Wastage of water create many problems. The quantity of water decreases in water reservoir. Due to this reason, crops get less water, and their yield decreases. Water animals are also affected due to shortage of water in rivers and lakes. Ways to minimize water wastage. Water taps should not be left open unnecessarily. The out-of-order tap must be repaired immediately to avoid water wastage. Water should not be wasted while taking bath. As soon as water tank is completely filled in, electric motor should be switched off. Importance of forests. The places where trees are in abundance is called forest. Wood is obtained from the trees. Sports items, doors, windows, and furniture are made of wood. Wood is also used as fuel. Paper and matchsticks, etc. are also made of wood. Forests are the habitats of animals, birds, and insects. They also play a vital role in making the weather pleasant. But forests are being indiscriminately cut by some people. The number of trees is also reduced when forests catch fire. This way, wild animals, insects, and birds become homeless. Natural environment is also disturbed due to shortage of forests. We should avoid unnecessary cutting of trees. More trees should be planted to overcome their shortage. Forests should be protected from fire. Instead of burning wood, natural gas, and kerosene oil may be used.